Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's check in with Bitcoin. And since the last video I did back in April, we've still just been ripping higher. And my wave count that I'm working here, so we got our one up, two down. I'd say we're clearly in an extended third wave. So within the extended third wave, my running count is a one up, two down, three, four, and then we have an extended fifth of the third. Looking very mature. In fact, we're going parabolic here, which usually leads to some sort of retracement or correction once it blows its top off there. But this overall action should leave little doubt that the larger crypto bull market has resumed. This is not an A, B, C up, and you show me a C wave on a chart that travels 4 times the distance of the previous A wave measured off of the B wave low, it's not really a thing. So the fact that we've traveled, and here I just have some relationships between 1 and 3 projected off of the wave 2 low. So we've gone through the 3.618. We're basically right at the 4.0, and then not too far away if we get up there would be the 4.236. And though there's some very, very extended wave 3 targets, it's very rarely I have to use those kinds of extensions. But in this case, we basically at this point done 4 times the length traveled in wave 1 in wave 3 here. So whenever this does resume or finish going up, temporarily at least, should give way to a proportional 4th wave pullback. And I mean proportional as far as matching, just visually this wave 2 pullback, and it should consume, a proportional amount of time and price to give this the right look for an impulse wave up. So if you're not already in, I certainly wouldn't be buying here. The next entry opportunity would be a wave 4 pullback to position for that wave 5. Okay, and I'll just delete these fib extensions, and I believe that now this is of course a count that's just a running count as this pattern forms, but ideally that would complete wave 5 up of the first wave of probably a much larger impulse sequence, but a larger degree wave 1, then we need to have a larger degree wave 2 retracement or pullback. And then there'd be that much larger degree wave 3 after that, and that would kind of be the real rocket ship, if you will. But this has certainly been a pretty good rocket ship already. But yeah, I just thought I'd bring that action to your attention because up until a certain point there was still skepticism. Well, is this just a bear market rally? And this really leaves little doubt the extent. I mean, if you look at the previous resistance levels that we've just been smashing through, really, it's just been a non-issue getting through various significant resistance levels. And you see we're very overbought on the daily RSI, although that doesn't seem to matter too much here on Bitcoin. But I will point out we're getting overbought on the weekly RSI, and I do expect that to lead to this wave 4 pullback at some point. If you can see, just in the previous bull runs here, weekly RSI being overbought certainly led to some decline. Here, once we topped at the weekly RSI being overbought, went from 789, consolidated down to 555, so certainly a large percentage decline there. And there's certainly other examples here, but I won't go through them all. But yeah, certainly an impulsive wave off the bottom in progress. Definitely an extended third. Getting overbought on even the large time frames. Exciting though. Good to see that Bitcoin is back in action. And certainly any kind of a recognizable corrective pattern, once it looks mature, it should be viewed as an aggressive buying opportunity now that the market conditions here have changed to being pretty outright bullish. Alright, that's good for now. Serial Trader signing off.